The Quick Click Separator is the newest addition to our series of Quick Click dust collection products. The separator works by removing dust and other debris from your airstream before it ever reaches the vacuum. Air is pulled by the vacuum up the center baffle, and fine debris spirals down the sides into a collection bin. Setup is as easy as connecting your vacuum to the top of the separator, and then connecting your power tool's exhaust to the side. The separator saves you money on replacing filters and vacuum maintenance by preventing harmful particles from ever reaching the vacuum. The Quick Click Separator from Cen-Tec Systems is available now.